Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate a product, how you can create a product launch on Canva. So you can use any colored background that you would like. I'm just going to kind of find like a neutral tone, maybe, maybe like this. And then I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to find platform displaying, maybe, oops. And there's a bunch that you can choose from. I'm just going to choose this maybe. Wait, let me find like another wand. Another wand. Why do I say another wand? Like, that's weird. Actually, I'll use this one. Just put it in the middle here. And then you are going to put in your product. I'll just find like perfume bottles here. Let's do, hold on, let's go to photos and see. Let's do this. I'm just going to place it on the platform. Like that, maybe. And then I'm going to add in maybe like a shape here. Oops. And then I'm going to add in this, and I'm just going to make this transparent. And I'm going to also change the color of the line to maybe like something brown, I guess. And then I'm just going to add like a text saying perfume launch 2025. Like that maybe. And obviously I'm going to change the font here. Maybe like this to make it a little bit more classy. And let's color it the same color, same brown color. And then you can like add in the perfume name. I'm just going to type in Coconut Bliss. I don't know, this is just random. Let's do, make it bold. I'm going to change the font again. Let's like find like a tropical, hold on. There we go. Okay, I don't like that one. Like a beach vibe. Can I type that in? Will that show some? Okay, I think this is good enough. I'm just going to make it a lot bigger so you can see the text. I think I might make this perfume launch a little bit smaller, actually. Like probably this small here. And then I'll make the name of the perfume a little bit bigger. You can kind of describe the perfume here as well. And I think I'm just going to add some lines. Okay, let's go to line. Let's add in this maybe. Well, I think I'm just going to go to graphics and see some lines. Maybe this twirly line. I don't know. You can describe the like scent it has. I'm just going to then add in a coconut here. Maybe put it behind. I don't know. Like, maybe like down here actually. Like here maybe, and you can add more stuff. I'm gonna add like, what's it called? Tree shadow, like the leaves. I hope, like trees still, okay, there we go. Something like this. I'm just going to adjust the transparency here a little bit, like that, and you can add obviously more stuff to your liking and to your product. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.